Both weapons firing up.
Now the undercutter getting involved.
Oh, no.
Trying to chip away at Rampage.
Oh, boy. Uppercut on the attack. Oh, my God! They landed right in front of us! Whoa!
Are both bots okay? Are they running all right? Both bots look okay, Chris.
Bad shot on Rampage.
But Rampage's weapons still going strong, Chris.
Back. Oh! Ah, huge collision that sends both bots flying into the side of the box.
Uppercut hanging back, Chris.
Kenny, once again, is that a crab walk? Because if so, the countdown will start.
I think he's just dazed and confused, Chris. That blow was devastating. Rampage has an exit there.
More stuff of Rampage flying around.
Is it crab walking or is it showing some sort of translational movement? That is the key.
Oh, huge impact, weapon on weapon.
But now he engages. He wants the KO.
It's bouncing around like mad. Oh, unbelievable.
Trying to show the judges he's the one in charge. Can he impose his will here?
Whoa, another huge shot.
What a fight!
I mean, is it doing anything, the uppercut, other than holding it in place, Kenny? Maybe trying to burn out its motor? Oh! Whoa!
Getting all up in his grill saying, is that all you got? Might only have half a face, but gee, I'm good looking.
Oh, man.
Ray's going in for one more hit.
My goodness! Somehow it's still operating, but the main weapon on it isn't. He's sitting there and looking at him. Oh, he's not looking at him because he doesn't have a face.